welcome to our first episode. This is Christ with Coffee podcast. I am your host. I am Mayville. So this is a faith-based podcast where I will talk about my faith, my journey in the Lord, my reflection, my devotional, and also I will talk more about Jesus. So that's the goal of this podcast. And ang goal jud aning podcast is to reach more mommies, no, nga naa lang sa balay, walay maistoryahan, walay ka istorya, just like me, no, kay I don't have, kumbaga, naarapod ko sa balay always, and I think this is the best space, and ang goal jud aning nga podcast is to spread the gospel. Am I doing this because I am perfect or better than anyone? No, I am absolutely not. Dili jud ko perfect, and I do not see myself as perfect. No, I do not see myself nga mas maayo sa iban. Dili gyud, I am flawed. Just like everyone else, I sin every day, I make mistake every day, I feel every day, no? Pero I love Jesus, Lord. I want to talk about him. I'm so passionate about sharing him to everyone, no, because being a mom or being a woman in this generation, no, it's not easy good. So na delivery so no, being a mommy or being a woman in this generation is not easy at all. Wait lang. Naga-video ko. Tawaga si ako ba na? Okay. So that's it, no, being a woman or being a wife or being a mommy in this generation is not easy at all, no, kay there is noise, there are a lot of noise than before, no, depression are rampant. Oh my gosh, depression, anxiety is so rampant. Ano pa ba, no, lalo na karon sa mga mommy, kanang grabe ang attack sa postpartum depression, and I want to this is my way of helping mommies too, because kanang I have this deep desire to share Jesus or to reach more mommies, and I can't do it in the four corners of my home, no, kanang, and I guess this is the best space for that. No, I don't know if it's okay kung dili ninyo tanawon. It's really okay. I just want to share. I just want to share Jesus. I just want to share what I feel about him. I just want to share what I am experiencing with him. I just want to share the joy that I am having with him. The peace. I want to share the peace that I am experiencing with Jesus, no, because this world, the kind of peace that this world cannot give, no, the kind of peace that surpasses all understanding, no, kana bitang even na ay problems, no, kay maski habang buhi ta na adyo tay problem, dili jud mawala ang problem, always jud na adyo na pero pag naa si Jesus, if you have relationship with Jesus, it's like he will give you that peace or hope, no, that this world cannot give. That kind of peace bitaw nga dili, maski ako dili na ako ma-explain. I just want to share it. I just want to experience. I just want you to experience it all, no, kanang sa asa man na mag-start. Of course, kanang magka-relationship with jud ka kay Jesus, no. So first episode of the podcast, normally mag-share jud og testimony. So I want to share my testimony. Oh my gosh. No, you know guys, this is so doing this. Dugay na jud nga conviction ni Lord. Dugay ni siya nga conviction and also a desire to have a podcast. No, kaya I'm always watching podcasts, no, and siguro na influence pud ko. But then thinking about this, doing this, I feel a bit kanang nahadlok pud ko gamay because sharing your life or kanang sharing your life or kanang being vulnerable sa imuhang mga flaws, sa imuhang journey, no, it's scary. Kay I am thinking about what might people say, what might people think about me, no. People may say things nga ma-hurt ko. People might think nga kinsa perfect na gid na siya, di ba, mga anak, di ba? Or people may judge me about doing this, no, pero the Lord has reminded me, nag-remind jud si Lord na this is not about me at all, it's about Him. No, I'm doing this not for myself, no, I'm doing this for Him, and I'm doing this to help other mommies or to help other women, no. Sige, mag-start na ko sa ako ang testimony. So, guys, I grew up in a family of daghan. Family nga dako jud, and sa side sa akong mama, nagdako ko didto, and I grow up nga wala ko'y papa, and I am the only child sa family nga walay papa. Everyone, tanan akong cousin na sila papa og mama, ako lang ang wala. So, growing up, so, syempre, sa bata pa ka, dili pa nimo ma-comprehend kung unsa ang imong situation, kung unsa ang kakahitabo sa imong palibot. You just kanang accept the situation. No, maski wala ka kasabot, accept lang nimo, i-accept lang nimo sa imong mind. Ay, ngani ang situation, dili ko nagpuyo kay lula, I don't have a father. So, kato siya, habang bata pa ko, wala, dili kayo nako to masabtan, no. Pagdako lang nako, mga teen nako, pag college nako, dito na murag nagagawas ang effect sa akong childhood, no, nga pag college nako, I began to kanamitang naging wild kay sa akong lola ko, nagdako ko kanang kuan man kaayo ko kanang behave. Ana bitaw kanang dili kayo ko pala barkada, pero pag college na ko, murag dito naggawas tanan ang ako ang experience pagkabata. I didn't know back then nga gapangita daay kog love, galong daay kog love, wala ko kabaluan na. So ang makita lang sa akong actions. So ang akong actions is when anyone, I was jumping from relationship to relationship, no, because I was looking for love. I was kanang gina-fit in bitaw nako akong sarili to everyone, maski contradict ang ilahang lifestyle sa ako ang nadak-an ana. And I also tried to please people, maski dili ko ganahan sa ginapabuhat. I even entered a fraternity just for belongingness, no, kay no kanang wala nako na dili pa nako ma-pinpoint ato nga time nga I was doing the result sa akong childhood, no, katong mga pagkabata nako nga when my cousins, makita na ko mga cousins pag naa sila mga gusto bitaw, na sila maingnan nga pa, ganahan ko magpalit og ingani ana nya, maski walay kwarta ilang papa, pero at least na sila maingnan. Ako wala ko ingana, no, kanang I tend to imagine things nga kanang pag dako nako siguro makuha ra nako na gamay pa kay ko pero mao na to kong ginaisip, no. And then when I grow up, pag teen na nako, pag college na nako, dito na nako na realize na I am hurting the I. Kay di ba kabalo mo sa phrase nga kanang hurt people, no? Kanang kung hurt ka, i-inflict po di mo na sa iban. So mao to akong pang ginabuhat pag dako nako, pag teen nako or pag college nako nga rude na kay ko, dili mo ko ing ana ila lola, no. Rude na kay ko, kanang musukol ko kay maski kinsa wala koy kanang makig-away jud ba ana. And then I was so wild. Akong nightlife, grabe akong nightlife, no. Maski dili na gipang testingan jud nako tanan ana. And then kanang I'm jumping from relationship to another relationship, no, to seek validation, no, kanang important ko, kanang naay mag-love sa kuha. I even give everything, no, just to please that person, para lang basi kung ihatag nako ni dili ko niya biyaan ing aning ana, no. Pero then there comes naabot ko sa point na nag-live-in ko with my husband karon. Maike sa Lord, no. Nag-live-in ko. And then during the live-in, about 2 years nga nag-live-in, I was so empty, no. Kana bitang I was so empty nga kana bitang maski unsa ang iyang i-love nga ihatag sa kuha, dili na ko masatisfy, no. So mao ni akong ginakadlokan guys maghimo og podcast. No, I was so empty the end. I didn't know na that moment ginatawag tayo ko ni Lord. You know guys, when you feel empty, kung empty na mo, ma-feel ninyo nga empty mo, it's because God is calling you. Dili pa dayon ninyo na ma-realize, because naagapon mo sa thinking bitaw nga kaya ninyo inyong sarili, no. Pero that kind of emptiness ba nga kanang maski unsa pa ang love nga ihatag sa imo sa people, dili ka masatisfy. Maski unsa pa nga accomplishment sa imong career, dili ka masatisfy. It's because that emptiness only Jesus can fill in, ana bitaw. So mao na akong na feel that time guys, kanang mao na akong na feel that time, and I didn't know what to do kay katong time. I don't know, naabot ko sa point nga sige ko paminaog ka ng worship songs, no, kay murag na ay kanang at some point kanang makomfort akong emptiness sa worship songs. I didn't know back then kung paunsa ang really relationship kay God. Wala pa ko kabaluon sa relationship kay Jesus. Pero I was really seeking kay ko nga naabot ko sa church namo karon, sa current church nako, naabot ko sa current church namo, and I was so happy. I am so happy nga na ako dira karon sa church, because dira jud ko nag-grow, no. Kay I've been hopping kanang churches and wala ako nag-grow dito. I don't know, same kon lamang gihapon to, si Jesus lamang gihapon ilahang same doctrine lang manggihapon, pero wala ako nag-grow, dira jud ko nag-grow. Siguro no kanang ibutang man ta ni Lord sa places kung asa ta mag-grow, and siguro kabalo gyud si Lord nga mao na akong need. So naabot ko dira sa church, nagkagitagaan ko ni Lord og life group, no, na ako'y life group where we share life together, kanang we talk about Jesus every once in 2 weeks, no, maggamit me, nag-grow jud ko spiritually sa life group, and I was so happy because it became my me time, no, kaya as para sa inyong para sa kaalaman ng lahat, Tagalog na lang nato. I am a mom of 5, and being a mom of 5 or being a mom is not easy at all. No, kanang you need patience nga pang top tier. You need self-control nga pang top tier. You need love nga di ka mahutdan. You need a love tank nga dili mahurot. You need peace surpasses all understanding nga peace. You need joy nga maski unsa ang situation sa balay, dili ka mawindang kay that joy will not, that the kind of joy that will not depend on situations. Ano pa, yeah, you need to be gentle. And all of those guys, you cannot get that from the world, from this world, only from Jesus, no? So, no, because of my relationship with Jesus, no, natudloan ko pa unsa mag-devotional, natudloan ko pa unsa mag-pray, natudloan ko, because of that, through my devotional and prayer life, I grow spiritually, and then nagamit gid nako siya sa akong pagka-mommy, no, sa akong pagka-asawa, ana, nagamit gid nako siya, and then I cannot say that I'm a better mom, but I can say I was better than before, no. I'm not saying nga mas maayo ko sa tanan sa iban mama, dili pod. I am so dependent with the Lord God. I cannot go on with my day nga dili ko ka devotional kay, no, kita bitaw nga mga parents, kita nga mga mommies, we are so prone sa worries, no, and if wala ko ga devotional, makuan jud ko, maapektuhan jud ko sa worries, no. But because of devotional, pagka naka-devotional ko in that morning, pag mag-come up nga problem, i-remindayon ko ni Lord atong na devotional nako, no, nga kaniyang word, kaniyang promise, kaniyang motivation, no. So yeah, mao jud na ang ako ang kuan, ang recipe sa akong adlaw-adlaw, no, si Lord God. And when you think about the Bible, magbasa jud tag Bible, girls, no, kay when you think about the Bible as that is Jesus, no, dili na kung ang atong mindset is kanang Bible is si Jesus God, dili kay book lang, no, you will be kanang maglahi. Mao na kong naging mindset sa Bible, girls, nga kanang nga this is not just a book, this is Jesus, this is the word, no, mao ni iyang word sa kwa kani karon nga adlaw, mao ni iyang kanang communication, mao ni among communication. Since nga mao na akong perspective sa Bible, girls, I am so eager to catch or to grasp his word every day gyud, no, I cannot live without it. Naabot jud ko sa point karon nga I cannot live without reading the Bible, no. Kanang pag dili ko makabasa og Bible, girls, I am not productive, no. Daghan kayo na ako'y gamay nga business, I'm doing a small business, and pag dili ko maka devotional bitaw that morning, ang dapat nakabuhatan on that day, dili jud nako matrabaho kay daghan na kaayo og disturbance sa akong mind, daghan na kaayo og kanang daghan na kay kog hunahon nga dili dapat nako ginahuna-huna, no. or nagsige na lang ko og kanang scroll sa Facebook nga dili dapat. So yeah, I really need kanang naadjud ko sa yung anak nga point nga kanang and kanang mag-devotional, and I want to share that to everyone. That's my passion today, mao nang gabagabaga nga desire, no, karon nagabagabaga jud na nga desire to share the gospel, to share what I've learned in the Lord, to share how to do the devotional. So yeah, that's my testimony. Wala pa na ako naingon tanan, kato lang sa yeah, but so I am so happy with my life right now. I am contented, I am at peace. I am longing for more souls, no, na madala kay Lord, and I have this deep desire to touch more mommies for the Lord. I don't know, maybe someone might need this. I don't know guys kung asa ta dalon ani nga podcast, kung sa result ani, pero this is not about me, this is about the Lord. So padayon lang. I'll be doing video, or I'll drop a video every, what day right now, what day is it, every Friday. Yeah, I'll drop a video every Friday. So yeah, oh my gosh, tayo podcast. We're doing a podcast na. Okay, again, I'm not perfect at all. Dili ko perfect ha, basi na po mag-assume dira. Kasi na mag-assume. Dili ko perfect. No, I'm far from being perfect, but my God is perfect. Jesus is perfect. I'll be talking about him, not about me. How he changed my life. How he transformed my life, how he changed me, how he transformed me. I'll be talking about my reflection, what I've learned. Yeah, that's it. This is not about me at all. So yeah, I hope and pray that more mommies pa, this will touch more mommies, more women, no, because this generation is not easy to live in good. Grabe, kung naay depression sa una 20 years ago, mas daghan og depression karon because of social media. Dako kayog impact ang social media because we tend to compare our life to everyone, no. At some point maupod na akong gibuhat before, but then God taught me how to stop looking at others' life, no, because dili gid siya healthy. Kay if every time na magtan-aw ta sa kinabuhi sa tao, sa ibang tao, we tend to compare, di ba? We tend to compare our life to others, and then every time we compare our life to others, we are disrespecting God's timeline, di ba? Kay di ba si Lord na siya sa timeline sa to isa't isa, and then when we try to compare our life to others, we tend to magdali-dali sa to mga plano, maski dili pa time, di ba? Gadali-dali ta, gusto nato rush tanan, gusto nato magka-car dayon, gusto nato magkabalay dayon, because mao na to nakita sa iban nga naa na sila yung ani, we tend to gusto nato mag-travel pod kay mao na to nakita sa ibang tao, no? So kung mao na atong ginabuhat, we become depressed, magka-anxiety ta, and then we began to worry. Ano pa, no, every time we do that, girls, we are disrespecting our own timeline. Kaya diba na ay timeline si Lord sa ingon ni Lord sa Jeremiah 29:11, my plans is not to harm you, no, but to prosper you, to give you hope and a future, no. So kanang isa-isa jud ta naagi plano si Lord, and when we tend to compare ourselves to others, we are disrespecting that timeline, no. Um so yeah, girls, naglamig na akong coffee gikan sa sulod sa among balay, naaradra among balay, no. This is my comfort coffee. Amigas. This is my comfort coffee with amigas, no, because kailangan na kape because our title, our podcast is Christ with Coffee. So yeah, it's like having a devotional with coffee, no. That's my normal thing. That's my normal thingy. And we're going to do the podcast here in this setting. I don't have a fancy room or a fancy light or a fancy microphone. I just have this corner of my seat. As we continue with our episode, the next episode, oh my gosh, we have our podcast. I'll be sharing more. Kung wala man ang naaman ko yung mga wala na share karon, of course, for sure, ma-share na ko na in the following episodes. So yeah, I thank you guys for listening, for watching this. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you keep on watching this. Si Lord na gyud bahalaan ni. Kung naay mo tanaw o wala, I don't care. I just want to share. I just want to talk about Him. That's just it. No, I don't know what will happen next year, next month, next week. I don't know what will gonna happen. I just want to do this. Yeah, I have this desire to do this. So no, before doing this, I was asking the Lord, Lord, what if aning ana, no? What if ani ang feedback? What if ani ang mahitabo? What if ana ang kanang kuan result? No, Spirit said, this is not about you. This is about me. Yeah. So yeah, whatever na ang result, wala na kay labot. I'll be talking about Him lang, and I'm gonna drink my coffee, and maybe we'll have coffee from other stores. Nag-ingani ko karon because kinaara sulod sa mong balay, naara sa bika sa balay, and then yeah, sige lang, let's see what will happen. Thank you guys, thank you girls for watching this. I hope to see you soon again, and then try to read the Bible, try to pray even a little. It's okay. Take time to, when you're empty, if you're feeling empty right now, it's Jesus saying, come here, my beloved. It's Jesus saying, come here, anak, come here. Don't resist. No, life with Jesus is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm content. Maski daghan problema, it's not, I'm not saying that kanang I'm content because wala ko'y problema. I am content maski daghang problema. I still feel content. Kay I know God is in control. I know He holds my future in His hand. I know He holds our family in His hand. So ngano mag-worry man ko, diba? I am content with my life. Whatever ang mag-abot nga blessing, it's just a bonus. Basta kay kontento ko karon. Basta kay kontento na ko, no. yeah, happy life with Jesus, not happy wife, happy life, happy wife, happy life with Jesus. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys, see you next week, and try to pray and read the Bible. One chapter lang, mas isa lang ka chapter. Start with John, with the book of John, no? So nganong sa book of John? Because dira nag-start ang ministry ni Jesus. So that's it. Bye bye. Bye bye guys, love you. Should ka kay Jesus, no? So
Hello
so sa first
everyone.
episode of
This
the
is
podcast, normal